What's up, my Disney tribe? How are you guys today? Great tutorial. We have dynamic lighting for portraits. And the look I'm going today is more for black and white, but I'm gonna edit one picture in colors as well, so we have idea how it looks like in both black and white and colorful pictures. Why dynamic lighting portrait? Because we are talking about 2 or 3 lights, it's up to you. I'm going to show you on both ways, if we shoot with 2 lights and if we add a backlighting hitting the wall on the background. With that backlight, is up to you if you want that light to hit like right in the middle, or if you want to take the light a little bit down, up, or sometimes take the light just to the side. You can create some shadows on the background. It's pretty much up to you. I'm drawing that idea for you. So, with no more talking, let me explain to you the lighting diagram. As you can see down here, I have a 800 watts studio light with a beauty dish and gridded, and the power is at 1/64 of power right now. Up here I have a 150 centimeters octabox with diffusers, with double diffusion. There's no grid on this octabox, and it's pointing down, very down. It's a little bit towards my face, but just a little bit. This is what you should get from this technique. You have one light pointing straight down and another light pointing up in my face, and this octabox is at 1/32 of power. That light back there hitting the wall is a reflector with grid at 1/128 of power, and my camera settings are 1/125 of a second f 5.6, and we are shooting monochrome at black and white because I want to see how it looks like black and white in the camera already. So let's take some pictures. Let me take you closer. Right now I'm going to turn off the backlighting because I want you to see how it looks like with and without it. Done. Boring like this. Let's play some music for the B-roll. Okay guys, 2 different lighting setups with the same diagram for you, with and without the backlighting. And what I'm actually going to do is share with you the raw picture without being photoshopped. Not really the raw picture, I will turn it into JPEG and post it here in the video and in our website. As you can see, they're quite similar to each other. It's pretty much the shooting idea you're going for on that specific day. If you like the topic of the video, please leave a comment below, hit the subscribe button guys, thumbs up. We have tons of videos coming up, and until next, bye bye.